Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fry Trades. Today will be something a little different here, and we're going to be showcasing these Minecraft Bombardier bi-level coach cars. As it's taken me over 2 years, but I've finally done every single one from each railroad. And as you can see, these do have a full interior with a lower deck, and then you can come up on the upper deck and a mid deck here. I don't think I have every single variation or advertising wrap of these, but I have at least one paint scheme now from every railroad that uses these cars. And if you want to build any of the ones you see here, there are tutorials for all of these on the channel. So we'll start off on the newest completed one here, and this is the EXO version, which is a Canadian train, and it just has some striping on it here. And then we'll take a look at this Metrolink car here. This is the ribbon paint scheme, and this is the gray version. And then we have another Metrolink ribbon paint scheme one, which is the white version here. Then behind that, we have the newer paint scheme for Go Train, which looks like this. And then right behind that, the classic Go Train paint scheme. So that's the two Go Train ones. Then we have the classic coaster train paint scheme here, which is my favorite. And right next to it, the newer coaster train paint scheme. Then right here we have the Trinity Railway Express version. And this is a little bit of an older build here. And another of my favorites, the Tri-Rail with the palm trees and clouds on the side. And then we have the West Coast Express version here. And you can see the roof of some of these are slightly different, as I did spend over 2 years doing these. It took some changes before I got something I was happy with. Right there was the Rail Runner, and this is the Sun Rail. Another cool paint scheme. Then we have the North Star version, and then the Sounder from the Seattle area. And then this is the Front Runner version from Utah. And another really good looking one here with Caltrain. And then here we have yet another paint scheme for Metrolink. And then these next ones we just built recently. These are the new paint schemes for the Altamont Corridor Express. And there's a few of those on there, as well as the original Altamont Corridor Express paint scheme here. And then finally, a third variation for the Altamont Corridor Express here. And like I said, some of these aren't exactly the same, as it did take 2 years to do, and I made improvements to the builds throughout, and I kept changing how I want to do the angle on the top. But there we have it. That's all the different versions from the different railroads that use these Bombardier bi-level coaches. So I hope you enjoyed this quick showcase video here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week.